So I've shown y'all my first two ships, the Nimitz and the San Antonio, but now I'm going to show y'all my third ship, USS Iowa. Let's get into it. So this is the USS Iowa. This one is the third one I made. I made it like last January, I'm pretty sure. Anyway, so unlike all my other ones, which are still in service, the Iowa was decommissioned in 1990 after receiving some like upgrades in the 80s. So the version I have here is pre-upgrades, like this is what you would have seen in World War II. So let's look around. So we start at the bow. We do have the anchor thing still, which I have in all my ships. So as you can see, that lowers the anchors. I'm sure one of the anchors fell off. I should probably fix that. These ones are not as smooth. I've ended up pulling them manually, but they work, at least. So, the main, or the thing I really like about this one, there's no, like, special feature like the other ones with the interiors. However, it does have a lot of detail. So you can see the bridge right there with, the gunfire director, the larger gunfire directors, the Mark 38 ones, all the way around. So you can see all the little gun things. These are like 1538s or something like that. And you can see all the like small machine guns and the lifeboat there. I was just looking around, the stacks there, and then obviously the major like cool big thing on this is the 1650 guns, the 3-barrel ones, and they do rotate. Let's take a closer look. This one has the smaller guns mounted on top of the machine guns there. So that's pretty nice. And towards the aft here, we can also see the little aircraft catapults. So obviously they're smaller than the ones on like aircraft carriers, but they're meant for the smaller World War II planes. They've also got the crane there that would move the planes around. So yeah, I think that's all. It's not as much as the other ships. But here it is, USS Iowa. Hope you enjoyed. Please consider liking and subscribing if you want to see more of the stuff I build.